Hi everyone, my name is Serena. I go by she, her, hers pronouns, and I'm a first year student at Scripps. Today I'll be talking about how to make connections as a first year student because that is honestly one of the most difficult hurdles to overcome during your first year at Scripps. So to preface, I've only been to Scripps through Zoom University, so most of my experiences are derived from like a socially distanced environment. But regardless, I have been still successful at making connections, and I feel like it should be the same on campus as well. So first, the moment you've been accepted, you should get a link to a Facebook group for your class year where you can meet other students that have also been accepted in your year. There's also a GroupMe and an Instagram that usually is student run. Keep your eyes peeled for emails as well because events such as Scripps Tea or invitations to specialized programs such as CLORGS, Student Council / SAS, summer programs, and more will be available in your inbox, so keep your eyes peeled out for that. And once you find the people that you can really vibe with, you can also further your involvement on campus by starting your own hangout events, parties, and more. Thanks for listening, everyone. I hope this is helpful for you, and good luck, first year students.